Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the service indicator or the oil reset of a Volvo V40. This one is a 2019 model, but it's, if I'm correct, from 2016 till 2019 it's the same menu. So I'm going to show you how you can do it for all these cars. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, it's Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel, we have more than 300 other videos on how to reset some indicators, tire pressure, change languages, reset oil menus and service indicators. If you have any comments or questions, use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. First of all, put the key in the ignition. Once you have done that, the trick is to press the start stop button once briefly. Once you have done that, you'll see some lights coming up on the instrument cluster. The next step is to press this button, OK button, together with the start stop button. Yes, and keep pressing both of them till an indicator over here, an information indicator, starts blinking and stops blinking. So press OK and start stop button. Keep pressing them both, keep pressing it, and if it's correct you'll see an indicator, and yes, an information indicator blinking, and press it till it stops blinking. And when it stops blinking, let go of the button, turn off the ignition and check your indicator if it's gone. So once again, ignition off, key in the ignition, press this button briefly like this, then go to this button, press this, go to the start stop button, press it, keep pressing that till the ignition turns on and the information indicator in the instrument cluster blinks and stops blinking like this. Blinks and then it stops blinking. When it stops blinking, you can let go both of the buttons and the indicator must have been reset now. That was it. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.